The best way to start a ketogenic diet. Starting a keto diet can seem challenging in the beginning, and many people lose motivation and get lost along the way. Reading this will be a surefire way to give you the confidence you need to not only start a keto diet but see it through too. It can actually be very fun and easy when done correctly, so follow the tips below to make sure you do it right and enjoy the process. The biggest mistake people make with the keto diet is not being organized. There is no way to be successful if you just rely on opening up the fridge each day and making do with what you have in there. This is the quickest way to failure and giving up, but does not have to happen with the proper guidance. Giving up is a real shame, because when you stick to it, the keto diet can produce some amazing results. Some of the most noted results that you can experience include: your body will burn fat much faster, it drastically reduces your blood sugar and insulin levels, your appetite gets reduced, it increases your good cholesterol levels. The keto diet is not like the average diet, so improvising in the kitchen will not work. The main difference is that instead of running on carbohydrates as you have been, you will now be needing a different source of energy. Your new source of energy is fat. Yes, you read that right, the fat you have been cutting from every diet is now your best friend. You will no longer reduce it but add it to every meal, and you will enjoy the benefits. Obviously, what is in your kitchen right now will not necessarily work. With your energy source primarily being fat, it is important to watch your protein intake. When protein levels are too high, they get processed as glucose, which defeats the whole purpose of cutting out carbs. The number to remember is 20%, this is the number of calories that you want to come from protein. It is equally important to keep up your electrolytes, because they are responsible for keeping the fluid levels inside and outside of your cells balanced. Without this, your diet will be unsuccessful. So, what actually can be eaten on a ketogenic diet? You do not have to be a nutritionist to make the diet work. Having the right information is critical to your success, so you want to purchase a well-organized program instead of taking your own chances with guessing and working with what you have. This diet has been deemed the one approach that will always work, when it is done correctly, of course. Many of us find ourselves in constant battles with our weight, trying approaches involving nutritional changes or exercise regimes. Often we have to diet for health reasons, such as decreasing insulin levels. Either way, successful results are few and far between, and people lose motivation quickly. You need to understand that your health and appearance will not change by themselves, and you are responsible for the way you currently look and feel. Once you accept this, you will have all the motivation you need to make the keto diet work for you. You only need to pay a few bucks, and a well-organized keto program can be yours. You will need a reliable one to provide you with the guidance as well as peace of mind to get started. Having the guide to work with makes it easier to follow the diet, as if someone is helping you carry the load, therefore making success more likely. One thing to check in the program before buying is that it offers a variety of meals and snacks. You want to have a choice so that you enjoy your food and do not get bored. There needs to be a balance between enjoying your food and eating what you need. The more choices you have, the more fun the diet will be. I believe that anyone can succeed with the keto diet. By researching it and getting information now, you already have shown an interest, which is the first step. You have the basic motivation you need, so now you just build on that. Look into programs to see which one will fit you best and get started on this life-changing mission. In no time at all, you will see the results other diets did not give you, and you will feel and look great.